today, your boyfriend will feel.
You know, mom give you money for this.
Give me plenty money, you find out, okay? Hey, guys, did you bring plenty money?
Lots of money.
Oh, that's nice. Today, they want me to buy money. Hey, today. Hello.
Let's start with our
We
assignment.
have maths today. Let's learn.
The hours and magical.
Good morning to you all. Look at this late comer. Election now.
Let's go.
Is it not time for break? Me, they go and ring the bell. Let me go for break.
Please shut up over there.
Take your time. Is it not break?
I don't know why.
Go and ring the bell. I'll come to me then. Hurry up and go and ring the bell.
You guys, we are always fighting over, but what is it?
If I me, they ring the bell. Please, I don't want to go to Mama Dome's office, so please.
Break time, please.
Wow, it's break. Let's
For break, we have to play jump. Guys, wait for me. Let me put my bag down.
Today I'll show this girl a lesson. See ya. Oh, very own fresh girl, I see. Yeah, fresh. See ya, Jimmy.
Bestie, you know what I exquisite gobe, photo shoot gobe, and then everything gobe.
Globalization.
Solving our math before.
A bit calculus.
we even have maths, so let's solve some maths before.
Master teacher no ban le through sensation no be. Through sensation le fu. What?
My calculator, I can't find. Hey, Charlie. Hey, have you taken it?
Why?
Give it to me, la.
Check inside your bag. It's in.
Why?
Me, my calculator.
You guys are making noise. Oh. No, like maybe I've misplaced it or.
No, I placed it there before going for break.
Oh, like it's straight.
This is ridiculous. I think the errors took it.
What? Asantua, what are you saying? Why are you blaming the errors? You should blame the ignoredness and even your tribe.
Look at her face. Do you want me to go to Mama Dome's office?
Asantua, why? Such a big mouth like Nipoki. Wait, I don't like that. Oh. Hey! How dare you? Hey, what will you do? Go back. Foolish
How
boy.
dare you? Why must you push my brother? Excuse me. Why can't you solve this count? Hey, always.
I said, what's going on here? That's Antoine. Her calculator is missing. She's blaming we the hours. I think we are born to steal. Asantua, is that true?
Say yes, but I was annoyed. That's why I didn't mean it.
No, that's not acceptable. We are all one people. And such incidents shouldn't bring divisions among us.
Hey. Latifa, what's wrong with your brother? Hey. Hey, so you took my calculator. You took my calculator. Stupid boy, look at his face. Thief.
Oh, I didn't mean to steal the calculator.
Yeah, what? Thief.
Oh, Asanta, please. He's sorry, okay? Please, we are all sorry about it. Can we be friends again?
I'm also sorry for my outburst too. I hope we'll be friends.
That's right. Such incident should be reported to a counselor or a teacher, not to be pointing fingers on each other.
Yes, we shouldn't let such incidents create divisions among.
Yes, we should stop these sterilized behaviors. I like this. Thanks for negotiating. But remember, tribalism is a root of conflict. Now, you guys should take your books and read. I'll be back in a minute.
Sir, but you forgot to give us my homework. Oh, what was showing the food?
Shut up, shut up. Just shut up. Today's cultural day, you can have fun.
Wait. Let us all learn from this. Let us all be heroes
Of change.
So that was our play. The play was written by Alfred Ampofo, aka Antipe, and was directed by Olivia Sika. Don't forget, it was produced by Kanzo Baby and CID. Creativity is our passion. Creativity is our passion.
At 6 Star Studios.